I forgot I wasn't recording!
18 miles northeast of Osage, moving northeast at 30 miles
I
per
thought
hour.
I was, but I guess not.
Expected
I got it
hazards
now.
include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail.
Oh shit, I think I got
This is a
it.
radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Leroy around 10:05 p.m. Lime Springs around
Oh, it's
10:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Forest Hill State Park, Edna, York, Cherry
Yeah, you
Grove,
went off.
Ostrander, Fillmore, and Greenlee-Afton. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Daylight Time for north central and northeastern Iowa and southeastern Minnesota.
Forgot I wasn't
For your
recording.
protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning
Oh, I know, hold up.
until 10:45 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota, Fillmore and Malware,
Oh,
and
God.
the following counties in Iowa, Howard and Mitchell.
Oh, I got some other decisions.
Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota, Fillmore and Malware, and the following counties in Iowa, Howard and Mitchell. This is a summary of hazardous weather for the south of Minnesota and eastern western Wisconsin. Listen to the severe thunder.